After losing 130 pounds, one of the biggest tips I could give you is don't look at how much weight you actually need to lose. Because when I was 315 pounds, losing 130 pounds seemed almost impossible. But when I was 315, the first goal being, hey, let's get to 299.9, didn't seem so bad.
You will never lose weight if you chase a goal that you don't even believe you can achieve. Yes, 135 pounds is pretty insane, but you're not going to lose all of it in one day. So why worry about all of it right now? If you climb Everest and you constantly just worry about how far it still is to the summit, you're always going to feel demotivated and you're never going to feel like you're making progress. But if you just focus on your next camp and the walk to your next camp, you're going to have so much more motivation. You're actually going to feel like you're making progress and you'll even be able to enjoy the journey. Your goal might seem super far away, and maybe it is, but it also is attainable. Just don't worry about a year's work or 2 years of work if all you have to do today is what's in front of you right now. Because if you can do that consistently every single day, you will eventually get to your ultimate goal.